Oh, hello, welcome back. Let's design a roof plan in CorelDraw, a designing program for your house design. So I've created several roofs with some hips, which will be inclined gradually, and then they meet with the ridge, which is the top part of the roof. Let's create a roof by clicking on the rectangle tool. Create any type of roof by forming some rectangles just like this, for example, and then afterwards you merge them all by selecting the rectangles, and then you click on well to, and then you merge them all to look like this, to make it look like this. And then I'm going to use a tool in CorelDraw which is called the contour tool, which is used so that you can determine the position of the ridges and the hips of your roof plan. Make several steps and then drag it just like so. Alright, you've created your guidelines now. You can add more steps if you want to. Right click on the blue one and then set the color of the contour to blue, just like so that it will help with the hip lines, just like this. Drag the cursor and then hold the shift key on your keyboard so that a hip is created, which is rotated 45 degrees from the baseline. And then you create another one. Your ridge will be created from the intersection point, just like so. Afterwards, you shorten the hip line down so it looks like this. Do some extension, just like so. Hold on. Afterwards, you create another one, another hip line, just like this, for your roof. Afterwards you create this another hip which will meet here. Extend it and then hold the shift key on your keyboard, drag the cursor to make another slanted hip line again. Alright, you do it again for the hip lines. And then this will be the ridge again. And then create another hip line just like so. It will meet here. Alright, create some more hip lines just like this. And then this will be the ridge again. Hold on, no. Do some resizing for the hips, just like this. It will meet here. And then it will be extended again. And then create another hip line by holding the shift key and then drag it so that it looks slanted again, just like this. And then you do some extension, just like so. Hold on. Then afterwards you create another hip line, just like this. Alright, almost done now. This will be the ridge. It will take a long time, but accuracy is a vital key to make a good roof plan. Alright, almost done now. Let's connect this point to that point, and we're done now. Click on this so that the contour lines are deleted, just like this. Oh yeah, fancy. Shorten it down to this, and then you're done making a roof plan in CorelDraw. Alright, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.